Hey guys, I'm Paul with Rustica, and we are in the beautiful workshop where we create beautiful new products that will complement your awesome project. And we love being a part of that. My sweetheart Kate and I, we started Rustica in 2006, and it's really our passion to be able to complement some of the incredible designers and homeowners projects that are going on out there. It's really inspiring to see what you're doing. So we love seeing the projects and how we can be a little piece of that. So today I really wanted to tell you though about why Rustica. So we've been doing this for a while, but you need to know that when you do buy a Rustica product, that you're going to have the industry's fastest lead time. So we have an amazing crew just down the road. Everything is built right here in Springville, Utah. And they're working really hard, ensuring every checkpoint of quality, but doing it quickly so that we don't hold up your project. We want to make sure you get this beautiful door or piece of hardware, mantle, whatever it is that you select. We want to make sure that we don't hold you up on the project. But we also have the industry's best warranty. So this is a big deal. Take note. If you do not like or love your product, your Rustica door or hardware or mantle or whatever it may be, then send it back to us and let us try it again. And we'll send you out at our cost, we'll send you a brand new one. Okay? Or if you don't end up liking it, it doesn't go with your project or your style, great, send it back and pick something else on the website. Let us build you that. But the bottom line is Kate and I want to make sure that you're happy. And if you're really happy, then we're happy. So thank you for trusting us, and we cannot wait to see your project.